Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the clip and linking your device. Pick an audio file and trim it to 30-40 seconds so iPhone accepts it. Shorter is fine. Once trimmed, convert to M4A if needed. Finder or QuickTime on Mac do this automatically. Now connect your iPhone to the Mac with USB or enable Finder Wi-Fi sync. Make sure the device trusts the computer. This gets both the ringtone file and the phone ready for the transfer step that follows. Next, convert and import the ringtone onto the phone. If you use GarageBand, import the trimmed audio, set project length, then export via Share Right Arrow Ringtone and send to your device. This avoids manual file handling. Or make a M4R by changing the extension after exporting N. M4A and then drag it into Finder's Tones section for your iPhone, then click Sync or Apply. Once synced, Finder writes the tone to iPhone, so it appears. Finally, apply the ringtone and resolve common issues. On the iPhone, go to Settings, Right Arrow Sounds, and Haptics, Right Arrow Ringtone, and pick the new tone. You'll hear a preview instantly. If the tone isn't listed, make sure the file was under 40 seconds and in M4R format, then reconnect and sync again. If it still fails, restart the iPhone and re-import from GarageBand or Finder. This resets the audio cache and usually fixes recognition problems so your custom tone appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.